Welcome to this two-bedroom apartment for sale in Berlin, Germany for Euros 316,059. Two-bedroom apartment in Treptow. Description: the property will be 7 stories tall and consists of 108 apartments as well as 2 commercial units. Also there will be an underground parking and a garden in the courtyard installed. The facade has an individual geometric shape and is mainly built of cement and glass. The apartments vary in size between 32 square meters to 184 square meters and are all built as lofts. This means that you can decide the layout and have the choice if you want to leave as open-plan loft style or the option of 1, 2 or 3 bedroom apartment. Most of the apartments also come with a balcony or terrace. About Treptow, Berlin. Treptow-Köpenick is a very special district in the southeast of Berlin, a district to work, live and relax in. The largest, greenest district with many lakes and rivers has a long history and tradition. It offers many opportunities for a high quality of life and various idyllic and attractive residential areas in a unique forest and lake scenery. With the Humboldt University, the HTW, University of Applied Sciences and the Academy of Dramatic Arts Ernst Busch, the district of Treptow-Köpenick becomes more and more an outstanding university location. Treptow is perfectly connected with the S-Bahn rail network. The lines S3, S8, S85, the ring lines S41, S42 and S9 cross this district. Moreover, the train station Skanweide allows a connection with regional trains. South of the district Berlin-Treptow there is the airport Schnefeld, which currently is being expanded to the airport Berlin-Brandenburg International. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.